Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the refreshing world of sugarcane juice. Ever wondered why this drink has been a popular choice in many cultures for centuries? Stay tuned to find out.
Sugarcane juice is not just a delicious beverage, it also boasts incredible health benefits. From boosting energy levels to aiding digestion, this sweet drink packs a nutritious punch. Did you know that sugarcane juice is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic compounds? These help fight against free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. To make sugarcane juice, start by washing and peeling the sugar cane. Then, run it through a juicer to extract the fresh, natural juice. You can enhance the flavor by adding a splash of lime or ginger. In countries like India and Brazil, sugarcane juice stands as a popular street drink, enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. It's the perfect way to beat the heat and quench your thirst on a sunny day. Additionally, sugarcane juice is a versatile ingredient that can be used in cocktails, desserts, and even savory dishes. Its subtle sweetness adds the unique twist to any recipe. Want to try making sugarcane juice at home? Simply blend the extracted juice with ice and a hint of mint for a refreshing summer cooler that will impress your friends and family.
With its irresistible taste and numerous health benefits, sugarcane juice is undoubtedly a beverage worth exploring. Whether you enjoy it on a hot day or incorporate it into your culinary creations, this humble drink is sure to leave a sweet impression. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below with your favorite way to enjoy sugarcane juice. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.